Some of our senators were pleased that the Maharlika Investment Corporation is using its funds for investments. Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri welcomes the move to purchase 20% of the shares of the National Grid Corporation of the Philippines, or NGCP. According to Zubiri, it is a good investment not just in terms of profitability but in defense and security as well. For Senator Serwin Gatchalian, this development highlights the opportunity in partnerships between the public and the private sector. Meanwhile, Senator J.V. Heristo is hoping the government can acquire 40% of the shares of the State Grid Corporation.
So may mata na ang gobyerno ngayon sa loob ng NGCP. Makikita na natin ngayon yung bitukan ng NGCP na hindi pinapakita before. Kung matatandaan nyo, yung last administration, away ng away yan eh. No, umabot pa nga sa mga pagbanta ng paghahabla. So, madugo yung naging relasyon between government and NGCP, especially during the last administration. So ngayon, meron na tayong mata doon. Alam na natin kung anong nangyari at pwede na natin i-pressure sila na mag-invest